Solving systems of linear equations using substitution. Lesson 10 notes. Example number 6. We got two equations, 16x minus 2y equals 4, and negative 5x plus y equals negative 0.5. So, looking at these two equations, which variable is the easiest to first solve for? That would be the bottom y. It has a positive 1 coefficient. So, pause your video and write down solve for bottom y plugged into top y. Okay, I'm going to solve for the bottom y by first adding 5x to both sides. So I'm going to cancel out the 5x terms, bring down my y, equals 5x minus 0.5. All right. So this, I solve for the bottom y. That will get substituted into the top y. All right. So I'm going to replace y with 5x minus 0.5. Remember, at any point, if you need to pause the video, please do so. I'm going to start with the distributive property. Now, be careful because this is a negative 2 that we're multiplying by. So I'm going to distribute negative 2 to both terms inside the parentheses. That's 16x out front. Just bring it down. Negative 2 times 5x would be negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 0.5, so don't forget that's a negative there, so would be positive 1. And I'm going to equal 4. All right. Next, combine like terms. 16x minus 10x would give me 6x. So I've got 6x plus 1 equals 4. And now this is a two-step equation. I've got one variable term on the left, so I need to take my constant term to the right. Since it is a positive 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. There we go. The 1's cancel. So 6x equals 3. Divide both sides by 6. And we get x equals, now 3 over 6. You could write this two ways. You could write it as x equals 1/2 or x equals 0.5. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and write down both. So I'm going to put down 1/2 or 0.5. Same thing. All right. So now, just like all the others we've done, we go back to that original equation that we solved for. And that's what we write on the last column. So y equals 5x minus 0.5. So it doesn't matter which one you use. You could use the 1/2 or the 0.5. Since the equation I'm working with already has a decimal, I'm going to use the decimal form. But I'm going to substitute that in for the x. So I've got y equals 5 times 0.5 minus 0.5. Again, if you put 1/2 in there, that's fine as well. So again, you could put in 1/2, or you could put in 0.5. It doesn't matter. So 1/2 of 5 is 2.5. And I'm going to subtract 0.5. Oops, I didn't mean to do that all at once. So this right here is 2.5. 2.5 minus 0.5 is just 2. Okay, so my final answer would be x equals 0.5, y equals 2. I would like you to also put or 1/2, because I would have accepted either one. If this were a homework question, I would accept either one. All right, so let's check our answer. Delete the last two that we used. All right, so this one is the 16x minus 2y, and then -5. There we go. So I'm going to scroll these. Zoom in a little bit. They intersect at 0.52. 0.52. We got it right. All right, so that is it for example number 6. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure before you shut down the video that you have absolutely everything written down. Pause your video to do so.